Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background in a video for free without a green screen. Okay, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use CapCut application. Here I have installed this CapCut application on my PC, but actually you can also install this CapCut application on your mobile phone. And don't worry, because the step is almost the same between CapCut PC and CapCut mobile. And first of all, let's just open this CapCut application. So I'm going to open it. Okay, and here I have created a project on my CapCut, but you can also create new project by tapping on this new project button. And I'm just going to open my project. Okay, and we're going to remove the background of this video, but I'm going to cut the video to make the process shorter. Okay, then first of all, you can tap on the video or the clip, then you're gonna tap on CapCut. Then you can scroll down until you find auto CapCut. Then just tap on this option. Okay, then you have to wait until the process completed. Okay, it may take a little longer. It depends on the video resolution and the video duration as well. Alright, and now the auto CapCut is completed, and I'm going to play the video to show you the final result. Okay, this is the result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove background in video for free without a green screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.